forged in pressure, reflected in 2 gold stars earned. Shine on, Masandawana. Shine on.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Kumdlalo wesine we-quarterfinals ze-MTN 8 for this current season ka-2026-2027 sakhumbula izolo Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates yasibekela indawo kwi-semi-finals Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium last night. Mamelodi Sundowns nayo ke yasibekela indawo earlier on this afternoon it was isikhukhune sibetha amazulu ngo-4-3, but namhlanje FNB Stadium kwi-last game ye-quarterfinals i-Golden Arrows isibekele indawo kwi-semi-finals ze-MTN 8 for this current season. Bebethe Kaizer Chiefs ngenqa kwelinye eqandeni. Benubukela lo mdlalo ke na former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder Junior Khanye. Molo mfowethu kunjani?
Esheni maprada kunjani?
Okay.
Ngibulise wena nkululeko maprada. Ngibulise uBobzin, ngibulise ulo uTJK Thokozane, ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Amanisheni ngifuna ukudlulisa enye into quick ngiyazi.
Yeah.
Man namhlanje ngibe ne disturbance kusena receive call kunengwenye ezipretender as a players union. And aziqali last time they pretend they call as if it's a sponsor. Puma, the guy is pretending as Tsepo Mashishi. And even I'm not. There's one player along the Pirates in Teman Kulmanai. He said na ukuthi bake bayenza kuye, and these guys they like he scam. You understand?
Oh, they are targeting players abantu abaku-spotlight.
Yeah, and even today this guy, I mean, kule situation ngabo Nkambule bakuyo. They do need search. Yabo ngosufuna inamba ka Grootman ka Nkambule ngamnika. And then now the guy he called to Grootman ka Michael Nkambule. If uthunumchita mela zo sign whatever funds for the boy, iwaya flyer, magmela fly uthethe bena zo sign some couple of form. Why mela faki imali in order ukuthi athole thing.
So they ask umkhulu wa ka Nkambule ukuthi makafake imali.
So I'm just akusintegrand amfeni isituation akabolo yamfana. I mean labafana umndeni uzubhlungu. So le anting distepile ne labachita baqali in 5 months namba ngibamba in terms of the sponsor, and I'm not the first person. There's one of the player ku Pirates wangitshela ukuthi even ku Pirates baba wonile with those people, and akusintegrand those people man, akusinte right. People are working so hard for into zabo. We are Shane going to the game.
Yeah.
Shane asikhulume ngegame, well assembled team i-Golden Arrows. Lo mfana well deserve lo Zwane. Bengizibuza number 41, who's number 41 Zwane. Uyalazi bhola la mfana. Number 10 mela become ngale ndlela. Number 10 remember is more of an engine, uyi controller. Number 10 ufana ne computer box. We decide how dictate the game, and number 10 all about cheetah. I think as team could make a midfield yabo. I don't think there's a link between the Kaizer Chiefs midfielders. There's understanding. Let me put it this way. Mabuye, this international player. Mtasing. I don't think there's gonna combination between two of them. Yeah, Balashega. The other one, we are Lashega. I mean, these they play with 2 defensive midfielders. And coaching Yabona, Uben distinguished Mabuye must be box to box. The other one is more link defense and attack. We staying 6 defensive midfield. But the guy, akusumuntu kwazi ukuthi alanda ibhola acombine noMabuya phela in order ukuthi ile nto enzeke egamini ezolo ngikhuluma ngecoach eDurban City ukuthi if uSerino angeke athole umuntu ozomfita and the other wing usifam, there's no way you can see the best of them. Coaching clearly what Chiefs is playing with forward wingers. Uthanda udlala yambona udlala ngama wing. He hardly allow his wing back to go forward. 2 position, I think I see 2 position. I don't think there is a combination between 2 of them. 1, 2 center back position, kalanga 2 center back. Ukwinika no Mikel, there's problem there. It's a pity they never been tested much. For me, there's problem there. I mean, Shilo last week they've not been tested. In today's game, Golden Arrows went there. Golden Arrows actually team had a long pass. They're very comfortable on the ball. Movement of the ball. They kunomfana bathi Mqwenga udlala midfield Zwane Maqwenga Zwane Dlamini. I think in midfield their shape, their triangle there. I think well done. Melambaka credit. I think that's where they won the game and they dominated. Ngikhuluma first half, asikhulume first half. Up front lo Mchitalo uKhumalo on the left hand side. On the left hand side, on the right hand side to Khumalo, and on the Ofan Roy. No, Van Rooyen ungene as a second
Oh,
half.
second half.
Fanel.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
the guy on the front Riabo. I think they were let down by front Riabo in decision making.
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
like so far?
I mean, the way they bebadlala sort of ngama department, the way they build up ngakhona at the back, it Chiefs being ngaba press. It's the first time ngibonile ngepress ngale game le yethoti Chiefs was pressing. You understand? I was surprised to coach the Cruz today, respecting Arrows playing at home. They were not pressing there, allowing Arrows to build up. And then when they push, Arrows baphuma because they've got comfortable players abakwazi complementana. Maqwenga in the midfield, Dlamini, very comfortable these three. And now this boy ngithi mina star player samna gemini namhlanje. Decision making, the boy makes sure as ngisho number 10 when you play with forward players adlala right left central forward. You make sure you support those players. Lo mfana ushayile their position namhlanje. And I think Arrows I problem ebabenayo it's last third. I think Arrows up front, the problem with decision making. They never created so many chances because Gune Chiefs and Kulma. Chiefs created about 2, whereby they're supposed to bury. But I'm a chance about creating a mistake Arrows. Arrows you could see the coach Udladla. Uguti ufunis Arrows build up at the back. And the body language, when you build up the body language, a sense of agents, maybe a sense of agents. But their players, I think, the body, they were so calm. And they make almost got punished. But Chiefs, when you check, second half, as this guy who coach, ufuna this boy on the right hand side, to take players on. There's access strength. Now, we are Ajax Cape Town.
Look, Batman.
Batman is not his strength. Batman is more of a hard worker.
He played well last week, but man, remember against the Kruger.
But you play well against who? I spend never. Angiti lenting show Shane. Sometimes just opposition before you can praise people. I mean, Batman his strengths is technically very good. Can keep ball.
Well, Junior, sorry, Carter. There's a live draw that is currently happening there.
Yeah.
I didn't see the first team. I think it's Sundowns. Oh, it's Sekhukhune United, the first team, Kuchoqala, Eboleni. The live draw is happening now. That's why I was manning John dialing up. So,
Yeah,
so,
body language.
yeah, so we are checking on the other side. Ozotsala is Sekhukhune South at home first leg. So it Ozotsala Ngogo obviously will play away against this Sekhukhune.
They're going to show now, Shane.
Yep.
That's Orlando
It's Sekhukhune against Orlando Pirates.
Yeah,
That's the first week. Then it's Arrows against Sundowns. Yeah, let's continue, Junior.
Yeah, Shane, honestly speaking, second half Kaizer Chiefs, they dominated, but they lack creativity. Lenting is show you. Pili, good player. Wonderful player. Wonderful player to watch. Exceptional talent. Very skillful. Very dynamic. But short term support umfana. Players mabanga banale character nayo. To take players on a figure first day. I'm a player more quality out touch. You can tell Pila figure which is. First game for taking very confident in dozenza uyambona ukuthi uzenza ngeconfident. Ileke yabo umduma bangene esaphe ngicabanga ukuthi bazomcompliment. Mfundo Vilakazi not much. Not in the good game bano Batman. Coach ufuna ukudlala ngama wing. Especially na first half ama wing wakhe I believe mina they fail him. Both wingers are like ibo and the striker Duba bekalahleka too much. Puma outside the boxing ngikhuluma nga first half. Second half not much. And coach ufuna ukudlala ngewitwe Kaizer Chiefs ucrossela abantu Duba. Every time the coach want ngiyambona ufuna Batman to cross. Ufuna this guy to cross as well. Umfundo Vilakazi they cross for who? Cause this guy Nkosimpile and I'm very disappointed in him. Udlala as attacking midfielders as number 10. We kumele ulinke between these guys, 2 defensive midfielders ulanda ibhola in order for these 3 in order ukuthi bafunction. Mara wena udraftela on the left hand side. Now le nto enze uChisland last week uyenzile nayo. Umuntu wenza kanjalo igwala. So for me, yes they had so many ball position but they play side to side, sideways, side to side, not creating clear cut chances. Amabhola abo weza ngama cross. Akadoromela walwele. These are the second ball segment ushoot ungamanga kahle. Bese bayashana desperation ukushoot abafair. Yes mabuye technical I think too short awushayile ugoalkeeper saver. But Golden Arrows for me honestly speaking they deserve to win the game. Mangabheka first half how they play. Second half not much of Golden Arrows honestly. But it's more of a game of 2 halves for me. Kaizer Chiefs second half they show up but man, they still needed, but I need my players to complement at this point.
There was a debut for 2 players. Ulangelihle Phili, I think you've touched on Ulangelihle, but Umtasingwa, the defensive midfielder, I know say game uqala. He played the pre-season cup, the Toyota Cup. But umdlalo sure abantu abaninzi bebewujongile ngulo namhlanje where he made his debut. What did you make of him, Mtasing?
Akunento esingayithola eDaveyton or eSoweto or eSpruit mfethu enzima kakhulu more than this guy. If you can't attack a space ngebhola, we international play, there's a problem. If you can't turn and then you circulate as an international play, there's nothing special. Nothing special about this guy. Instead udlala safe. And West akafuna ukuvela, Mabuye is going to get tired, get injured. Because Mabuye is defensive midfield, also box to box. So uzenza zoyithi akhona. So this guy with team sheet to 8 number. So for me, he reminds me, this guy no Ake lower figure with Chiefs. I mean, for me, there's no
Ake.
As mina Shane, I can't honestly. Okay, ucela see something. There's nothing special about ucela, but better in terms of ucela uyalande, I'll pass, I'll like accuracy in passes. You understand? I don't have that character now. A good player, but I don't have character. But with this one, you can't play. I mean, a coach who's to coach. He didn't show to sign coach. Nenye into footing from Guyago Shin.
Yeah.
Mbona this boy is injury free. Mlesana is sitting on the bench for Bukuinika. He didn't talk sign our coach before the player. This thing is very serious. 2 games now. You understand that last week? Yeah, today. Play the guy in feature. Them signing, you sign him with a lot of money.
Yeah, but Nailo, there is a point I got Junior where as a club you will sign a player for a coach, but South Africa Junior, I don't think there's any coach who no complaining about it because it's South Africa says I normalize.
Okay, now you're out. You're out of the tournament. Chiefs this signing these players, they want to win something.
Yeah.
Top 8, it's one of the easiest tournament in a season yonke.
Yeah.
You play only 3 games. Final we touch 30 trophy. Amanye you play home away Ziabuya. You understand about 8 to 9 games. Now a coach, you understand what you're saying. Yes, in South Africa it's a criteria by 7 side. But ama results if they're not going your way, they change. We should be making out lo msebenzi as a coach. Bekumele ngawuthatha simple. Bekumele ukuthi I know ngimnandi. Because izobuyela kuwe back as a coach. So now lo mfana esikhuluma ngayo quality phela umleyisana. For me ukuthi angadlali ku Chiefs, I don't understand. Mina Shane mina ke ngine jive nabantu ama director. Wonke noma ngabe ubani weyiphi club signing players before the coach is a problem to me. Because that coach might come and say, the philosophy doesn't suit this place. So I think they need Molosane for me Chiefs. But unfortunately in this tournament they are eliminated, but they left with Ipetu Premiership, Baseleng Kaling, Baseleng Netbank.
Yeah, there's also ICAF Confederation.
Yeah, ICAF. And ICAF we playing inside the country and outside the country.
Yeah, tell me Junior, the coach says Sumbonile now in 2 games. We saw Umdlalo Qala weBethu Premiership. Sibonile namhlanje. I think we can kubuza lo mbuzo ukuthi wekuse early but games zimbini ngoku. Ikhona noko mhlawumbe inhlanzo ibonayo ukuthi okay I think lo coach ufuna udlala ngolhlobo iphilosophy yakhe iplayers eKaizer Chiefs ufuna udlale kanjani.
Yeah, it's very easy. Unabi Mbonile unabo njani. Same like Nabi for me. There's nothing different for me. Play with wit.
Yeah,
it's just different ukuthi urela kuma attacking player. But bekumele ayifike ku Chiefs abatshela ukuthi sorry madoda before ngiyasithatha lespan but nge-preseason ngicela ama-wing forward, quality special players, because mina ngidlala nga-forward players. You understand? But him and Nabi, they play with wit. Yabo ku-Chiefs bengi-expect u-coach ozodlala Bhokozenala Central. A special coach will go direct.
I don't think mhlawumbe player njengoPhili izawuncedisa mhlawumbe.
Mara White, mele bamphasa uPhili White. You understand? And coach amboni strength, it doesn't noma uPhili angezala phakathi uPhili mele aliphase White ukuze licross. That's phela khona le wena Shane bayibiza the coach identity. Ama instruction we coach. You can tell.
So wabona.
Yeah, like coach ufuna ukudlala White with badlale nge-wit. And team yakhe stretcher, like it's open, team yakhe ayivali. Whether they got the ball or they don't have the ball, but stretch. Ubheka Arrows the way they were circulating the ball. Bekunama spaces amaningi and they allow Arrows to do that because of ba stretch. Team yakhe ayivali mayingaphethanga iball. And that's a big problem for me. And honestly Shane, ngisayiphinda lo mfana lo PD Chiefs but lo mfana I think career yakhe izothatha enye direction. It's a pity mawudlalela team. I'm not too sure honestly speaking. Yabona maningawini something nibambe. We don't see the best of you. Nakubona national team kunzima overlook. But uPitso because if football uyalazi. Pitso is going to be easy ukuthi abone lo mfana uthi noma ngabe iskepe siyasinka but it's going it's a special talent lo mfana. Mina ngisho lapha. But unfortunately the surrounding you need to be complimented phela. Yabona mawuzoya ku Chiefs uPhili. Imagine namhlanje kube bekaphethe abantu abanjengabayi3. 3 players abanjengaye. You understand? And a special player dlala box to box sort of. And then Chiefs it's more ngaba nengcondo bagaya benefit of the doubt ukuthi nabo banga compete. But kunamanye ama game they fool you Shane. Ezingisho le game last week yes. Kruger yenza ama mistake amaningi beka ama newcomers lawa. And today I think for me they were tested and well done to Golden Arrows. I think for me they deserve to go. Though it's second half Chiefs care but not clear-cut chances created.
Junior, thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. That is Junior Kanye, besubukele kunye ke lo mdlalo wase FNB between the Kaizer Chiefs ne Golden Arrows. Lapho ke Golden Arrows zibekele indawo kwi semi-finals. Bazodlala ke ne Mamelodi Sundowns. On the other side, the second semi-finals is going to be iSikhukhune up against the defending champions Orlando Pirates. But namhlanje FNB Stadium is Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.